Hello everyone, True Zero Emissions here with an update. Okay, so I have the negative wire now soldered. So we did the positive when we showed you that one in the last video. And now we can see how I soldered the negative wire. Now I know it's a red wire, but this is how I mark it as negative because this is the wire I'm using right now. I just put heat shrink on there on each end. So on this end it has a black heat shrink that indicates negative to me. And then on the other end there's a piece of the black heat shrink tubing. Let's see where that is. Right here. That's my indicator that this is the negative wire. That's because I'm using this wire that I had. It's from a battery management system, extra wire that I had. So as we can see here now, as soon as this focuses, yes, now we can see here that this has taken up very little space and hopefully will fit in there. Fit in that plug on that side. And I'll make a video of that once I get the plug in there. Okay, see you soon.